Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Washef at Wareva.com. Today I am going to make chili chicken, but this is going to be lime chili chicken. You're going to see something wonderful lime I am going to show you, but before we get there, I am going to show you how to make this preparation. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take some chicken. Okay, the best thing is to take chicken that is boneless. Let me tell you, I have brined this chicken, so we're going to add some egg. Because I've already brined this chicken, I'm going to add a little less salt and just mix these pieces of chicken with the egg. You know, even half an egg for this much chicken should have been good, but I added a little extra. In this, we're going to add some cornstarch. Just mix this chicken with this cornstarch, and we're going to deep fry this chicken till this chicken is nice and tender. We're going to fry them till they are nice and tender, because Washef loves nothing more than tender, juicy chicken. Okay, these pieces, that should be good enough. See, always remember, never overload your frying pan. Always add just right amount. If you add too much, the heat will fall down, and especially if you are making pakodas or bhajis, it will absorb oil in it. So, always add little by little, then you get the product good. Now, I am going to cook this till it is slightly golden on top, so that the inside the chicken is nicely cooked. These pieces of chicken are fried well. See, the only problem with this is once the chicken pieces come out, you know, till the time I make this sauce, you know, I can't just wait, even though it is very hot. I need to, nice, perfectly cooked, but I need to fry some more of this chicken. You know, you have to remember, whenever you are frying anything, always be very careful, because I don't want you guys to burn your fingers. So, whenever you drop, just be careful. You know, a lot of times people, what they do, they get so scared and they drop it from high. That causes more accidents. Chill out like Washef, and be careful and drop one piece by one piece, you know, so that it doesn't spill on you. I'm going to take some of this oil into this pan to make the mixture, the masala for my chicken. Okay, that's good. In this, add a little bit of garlic. Not hot enough, and some ginger. Once this garlic is slightly sauteing, here in the dingchik, you know, I'm going to put in some red. These are kind of a Thai chili, but these are small chili variety, widely available all over in Hyderabad and around. So, just crush these chilies. You know, they are very hot, just hot like me, and this, and we're going to add some green chili also. To this, we're going to add some sugar, okay, not too much, and some MSG, it's up to you, some tomato ketchup, and soya sauce. In this, we're going to add the pieces of chicken. That's it, and we're going to toss this. And we're going to pour in some chicken stock. Okay, this is going to give some extra taste, not too much. Well, now, you know, we don't need to add any thickening, because the corn starch that is there coating this chicken will slightly thicken it, not too much, little bit. Squeeze in a little bit of lime juice. You know, some people may want to add vinegar, but this should be good. The reason why I'm not adding any salt is the tomato ketchup has salt, the soya sauce also has salt. That's perfect. And let me just check the taste. Okay. Awesome. Little bit of salt, and you know, even though I added a little bit of stock, all of it is already thickening and coating the chicken well, and the chilies are also nice, hot, and this is perfectly coating. Wow, I think I may want to add a little bit more of sugar. Now you have to, you know, check, taste it, and make the adjustments with the seasoning. This is all done. I'm going to switch off the flame and look at this. this awesome, awesome, ha ha ha. Ah, I need to add some more of lime. Look at this, perfect. And lastly, we're going to add some spring onion. But let me tell you, there is a saying, you can pee anywhere in India, but not under the lime tree. You know, Vashef, curious guy. So what I did, I went near my lime tree in my house and I peed. You know what happened? Limes of this size are growing in my house. So never ever break the traditions. You can pee anywhere in India, but not under a lime tree. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session of learning how to make this lime chili chicken. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Wow. Something to die for. Wow.